Namaste all. If your heart melt every time you think about your daughter, if there's a distance, misunderstanding, or hurt between you both, then this moment will change everything forever. Namaste. I welcome you all for my 21 days relationship healing series. Today is day 10. I'm proud of you for staying committed to this journey of transformation. You know, Ohio State of University studied nearly 700 families for 5 years and discovered something remarkable. When parents heal their emotional connection with their daughters, it doesn't just improve the relationship, it literally boosts their daughters' mental health and help them to overcome loneliness for life. Last week, my client shared with me after using this exact technique, her 21-year-old daughter called her for the first time in 2 years, crying with gratitude and saying, Mama, I finally feel your love reaching me. I am sorry, and said, Love you too. Today, we'll be dive deep into the healing of your relationship with your daughter using this sacred Hawaiian practice, Ho'oponopono, combining it with emotional freedom technique, that tapping. By the end of this session, you will feel the shift, your heart, that your daughter will sense, even from miles away. Are you ready to dissolve your years of pain and create loving bond both deserves? Let's begin the beautiful healing journey together. First, we will do the conversational Ho'oponopono. And you know the drill, right? How? Close your eyes first, take a deep breath. Imagine your daughter's face into your mind. See her not as she today, but as a little girl who once looked at you with pure love. And take the responsibility now, my dear daughter. I acknowledge that I have not always been the father or mother you needed. I take full responsibility for the time I was emotionally absent and physically absent as well. I take responsibility for the word that hurt you, for the expectation that felt too heavy, for the love I didn't know how to express properly. Dear daughter, I am sorry. I am really sorry. For the time I prioritize everything else over listening to your heart. I am sorry for rushing your childhood, for not seeing how much needed my presence, not my present. Dear daughter, I am sorry for the harsh words spoken in anger, comparing you with others and making you feel like you had to earn love instead of knowing it was unconditional. Dear daughter, I am sorry for carrying my own mother's wound and unconsciously passing them to you. I am sorry for all the generational patterns of pain that I didn't know how to break. Please forgive me, dear daughter. Forgive me for the time I couldn't control my temper, when my stress became your burden. Forgive me for not being the safe space you needed. Dear daughter, please forgive me for everything. Forgive me for not understanding your dreams, your choices, the way of your being. Forgive me for trying to make you into who I thought you should be instead of celebrating who you are actually. Dear daughter, please forgive me. Forgive me for the silence between us. Forgive me for the walls I built around my heart thinking I was protecting us both. Forgive me for not fighting harder for our connection. Dear daughter, thank you. Thank you very much for choosing me as your parent in this lifetime. Thank you for teaching me what unconditional love really means through your pure heart and your behavior. Dear daughter, thank you for your patience with my imperfection, for loving me even when I couldn't love myself. Thank you for showing me the strength I didn't know I had. Dear daughter, thank you for every moment of joy you brought into my life. Thank you for the first time, the first smile, that laughter, your unique way of seeing the world. Thank you for making me your parent, maybe your father, your mother. I love you, dear daughter. I love you. I love you for exactly who you are. I love you, your mistakes. I love your victories. I love your journey. I love you beyond words, time, and this lifetime. Dear daughter, I love you enough to heal myself, to break these patterns, to become your parent, your father, your mother are always needed. I love you enough to do this inner work, this healing. Dear daughter, I love you with every breath I take. You are my heart walking outside my body, and nothing will ever can change the love I have for you. Dear Divine, I surrender my this relationship to your healing grace. I ask for forgiveness for all the ways that I have fallen short. I ask your guidance to love my daughter the way she is, unconditionally, eternally, and perfectly. May our bond heal, our heart to be open, and our love to be a blessing this world. Sweetie. Thank you. Okay, take a deep breath. I'm sure you are feeling better. Let's do the EFT for healing more things. Even though I feel guilt and pain about my relationship with my daughter, I deeply and completely love and accept myself the way I am. I forgive myself and I forgive my daughter. Even though there is distance and misunderstanding between us, in spite of that, I deeply love and accept myself exactly the way I am. I forgive myself and my daughter completely. Even though I don't know how to fix this broken part between us, I trust the love will show me the way, and I deeply and completely love, accept, and honor myself exactly the way I am. Take a deep breath. All the guilt I carried as a parent release. All that mistakes I made in my past release. The pain of feeling disconnected from my daughter release. The fear that it's too late to heal this release. All the words I wish I hadn't said to my daughter release. All the words I wish I should have said to my daughter. The heavy feeling in my chest about relationship release. The sadness of that moment, lost moments release. I'm ready to release this pain now. I choose healing over holding onto hurt. I choose love over being right. I choose connection over protection. Excessive overprotectiveness release. I am good father or mother, learning to be a better. I am learning to become a good parent. My daughter and I are healing together. Love is flowing between us. One positive round. Let's do it. I am grateful for my daughter's presence in my life. I trust that our love is stronger than the difference. Below the eyes. I see my daughter with eyes of love and acceptance. Top of the head. I am healing generational patterns with grace. Under the nose. My heart is open to receive my daughter's love, unlimited and unconditional love. My daughters feel my love and support because I give her that from the bottom of the heart. We are creating now new, beautiful memories together. I am proud the kind of parent I am and the kind my daughter is becoming. Our relations are best. Take a deep breath. Now close your eyes and just feel that shift, what you are feeling in your heart by just seeing the face of your daughter. Experience that change. Let's move to the next part of our video, and that is subconscious programming. I'll be sharing some activities that will help you now. There is a powerful exercise that will reprogram your subconscious mind and attract healing into your relationship. And that is first reflection questions. Let's see. What's one beautiful memory you have with your daughter from her childhood. Think about that. What quality in your daughter you most admire? Think about it. Write down. If she could hear your heart speaking right now, what would it say? Write the question of all this. Then close your eyes and imagine a golden thread of light connecting your heart to your daughter's heart. This thread has been there since the moment she entered in your life. It cannot be broken by words, distance, or time. See this golden thread blushing with love, carrying your healing energy to her and bringing her love back to you. Every time you think of her with love, this thread grows brighter, bigger. Take a deep breath. Feel that cord, feel that love, feel the connection between you and your daughter. Experience it in your heart. Now open your eyes. Let me tell you one story. In ancient India, there was a mother who lost her connection with her daughter due to pride and stubbornness. She went to a wise sage who told her, the river never argue with her stone in the path. It simply flows around it with love until they become smooth. Be like the river with your daughter, especially. Let your love smooth away all the rough edges between you and your daughter. Let's see the new action now. 7 days every morning when you wake up, send loving thought to your daughter. It can be a simple, I love you, beta, or whatever you want. I am proud of you. She will feel it even if she doesn't understand why her day suddenly feels brighter. Do it. It will really shift your energy. And you will experience your relationship and your bond will be getting strong. Just completed the powerful transformation of your daughter and you can feel this shift. Just that, I want you to do something special. In the comment below, write one word that describes how your heart feels now. Just one word. Let's create a beautiful energy healing and listen, I have something amazing for you. Visit my website now and download some free books. Plus book your complimentary free healing session, consultation, where we will create a personalized plan for your family's transformation. Whatever you are facing any challenges in relationship, let's heal it. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell notification because tomorrow, day 11, we are healing your relationship with your siblings. And I'll share some techniques so powerful it can heal decades of family wounds in just 21 days. So make sure tomorrow you watch the video and be available for practice. Join my WhatsApp community right now because we connect and heal, give the free healing as well as free session to them. Take the benefit. Every day, Monday to Friday at 8 p.m. we come together and we do some powerful activities. You also can join for that. And let's shift your life and experience the transformation. Okay? Remember, you are not just healing yourself. You are healing your daughter, your grandchildren, and 7 generations forward. You are healing to force in the world. You are healing, creating that power in the world. I love you and I believe in you. I'll see you tomorrow and with another beautiful day, that transformation. Until that, keep spreading the love of light. And wherever you go, spread the love. Connect with and have a wonderful relationship in your life. I wish you that happy and deeper connected relationship for all of you. Thank you very much.